Have we started the video yet? 3. Alright.
I gotta sneeze. Oh my god, we got this map, yeah. What
what
the
is
heck?
it? What map is it? Who am I with?
Who am I with? Why is there two of the same people here?
Oh, I see everybody.
There's two hats here.
Hey, it's invisibility. Why are you invisible? Oh my god, I ran.
Here you go, Alan.
Alright, let's go. Let's follow Jonathan.
Oh my god. I hate this map.
Sure, let her die.
Here.
She's invisible, no one's here. She's invisible.
Just let her die, dude.
Hey, she's just...
I will. Bye.
I will, yeah.
Come on, Drew, let's go.
Oh, she went that way. Hey, Brianna.
Boo!
She went the other way.
Oh, yay.
Yeah, I'm not staying
Yay,
last,
I'm
so
the
you
only
know.
one. Yay, if I do
Someone
it.
is either behind me or in front of me, I'm telling you right now.
When you burn it down so far, in a ring, or some of the jewelry can be real, or it can be
Where'd she go?
Let's just go, dude.
No, we just go this way, try to find it. It'll be okay.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, let's try and find it.
And the dragons to go alone.
What you're getting.
Okay.
Dragons to go
Go
alone.
left. Left. Following me, like Miss Freeberry.
It's
Follow me.
dangerous to go alone.
Good me.
I'm gonna go and.
Oh, I don't want to be the leader, though. Jonathan, come here.
I won't go Thursday and get signed up, and I'll only have a website. I won't have no book. You'll order on my website, you'll pay on my website,
Yeah.
and it'll be shipped to you off of my website.
I'm
Hey,
gonna
man,
go.
turn my flashlight off. There it is. Set my battery. So we start the game.
I can
That's
still
not bad.
see perfectly fine, yeah.
Yeah,
I
but I just
love
turn my battery. Oh my god. God, quit yelling. Gross. Gross. Gross balls.
Alright, be quick in here if there's a... Hey!
You got your Tritons on?
Yeah, I do.
Oh god. I'm gonna turn my turbo bitches on. Hold up. Yeah, guys. Hold up. Stay still.
Alright.
Stop. Turn my turbo bitches on so I can hear the thing. Make sure.
Gotta make sure I have Amplify on.
Yeah. Gotta make sure I can hear these queers. Breathe them on my neck. Nigga, breathe on my neck. I turn around. Whack you.
Bitch. Alright, here we go. I hate this place, dude. This place I can see, dude. I'm glad it's daytime. I have my lights off, but I can still see through my window.
Even though window, I have a half a blind over here, so you know it's good. Hurry up. Alright, I'm gonna chain Mike.
Alright, well, I'll wait for you to look. There you go. Come on, John. Hey, wait, is that Jonathan? That's Jordan. Wait, that's Jordan, I believe. Come on. Where y'all at here? Is there a way to check like the map here? Oh,
I'm back.
Who just went in front of me? Is there 3 people right here? Where's Brianna at? Already? The game didn't even start!
I don't want to be in the back, so.
Yeah, so you know, let me through. I'll be in the front, yo. I hear oh, that's not a tape record.
That's it. That green crap, yo.
No, it's purple crap, Kappa.
I think my turbo bitches are backwards. I hear it to my left. I hear it to my left. Hold up. That's messed up.
This terrifies me, by the way. I feel like taking my headset off right now so bad. Gonna go straight. I see a tape recorder. No, actually I don't know what that is.
The vent was like.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. Can I go through it?
Who's behind me? Nope. I'm in the middle.
I'm a skeleton.
Nope. I hear a tape.
Something. It's not a tape.
No, it ain't.
Okay, I hate scary games,
My
dude.
throat is just- I'm telling you, I got them on backwards. I feel it. Yep, at home, they're on backwards. Hold up. I gotta switch them.
Oh my god.
My left
People
is my right. My right is my left.
People are so smart and Jordan for you though. You stupid.
Alright, there we go.
Alley.
That's why I'm so bad at Ghost.
What?
I hear stuff backwards.
Jordan, that's like the first time you noticed.
It's the first time I ever noticed that.
Hey, are you?
That is a tape. It has to be.
Yeah, dude.
This
That is
it
a
sounds
tape
to the
for
right.
sure, dude.
somewhere. It's somewhere around here. It's
I
to the
can't,
right.
it's over here.
I
To the
hear
left
it.
now.
Left. God, I got my right and left mixed up now. God, I'm horrible right now.
Now it's to my left. Didn't you hear it to your left?
It's right through this door.
Yeah. Oh, that's for sure a tape, yeah. Get out of my way! Can't get through the... Just move backwards. Thank you. Found it. Don't get it yet, hold up. We gotta wait for Jonathan to get over here. Who's that? Who's that right by me?
Me.
What? Oh my god, we gotta wait for Jonathan, dude.
Jonathan.
Did you lose us?
I hear a little girl. Jonathan. Where you at? Where you at?
Oh my god, you're so noob. I hear like some creepy stuff, dude. Man, I quit, dude.
Oh, you're in the locker room? Hold up. Stay still.
I know where it is. Oh my god, yeah.
You follow me, Andre?
Yeah, I'm following you. Sprayberry.
Excuse me. What locker are you in? Oh. You get disconnected. Hello? You do?
There you
Oh. Hello, Melvin.
go. Alright, you know the way back, right?
Yeah, follow
I
me.
do.
Dude, that sounds weird as crap. To my left. Y'all follow me?
What am I stuck on? Nope. I call middle.
I'm not leading. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't lead.
Alright,
I don't like
yeah,
it.
because you're an idiot. So.
Yeah.
Oh god, here we go.
I'm gonna
Alright, so
girl.
go to the door first. Who wants to go to the door
Jonathan?
first?
No balls, no balls, Johnson.
Oh god.
No balls.
Go through the door.
No balls. No
No
balls.
Yeah, no balls.
Uh-oh.
Go! Oh, no, let me in the middle!
No, I'm in the middle. Screw you.
Bitch!
I'm
I'm staying
ride
inside
Jonathan
you if
D,
I have
yo.
to, yeah.
I'm gonna ride Jonathan D, yo.
I swear I'm gonna stay inside of you if I have to. Left! I'm just gonna follow you, dude.
King.
Jordan, no! Get away from my team.
No,
No.
balls, Andres. No. balls.
No! I have no
Main
balls.
card. Main card.
You know what? Alright, everybody stand still. Pause for a second.
Nice on the ground.
Okay. I'm scared.
Main card.
I'm you out.
I can hit you 50
No
times
balls.
in nuts.
No balls. No ball. You won't do it.
Bet. What's up?
Alright, I did it too. Itch! Where'd y'all go? I can't see!
Where'd you go? Oh god, I hear something. Where'd y'all go? Oh god. There's John. Oh, I see y'all. Get back here.
No, turn on your flashlight, Jonathan. I think I
see
hear
y'all.
something to the left, by the way.
I think it is too. I think he's breathing on my neck. Oh crap.
Oh
me
my
breathing.
goodness.
This is me breathing. I was chasing y'all. This is scary. I hate this game.
Yeah, I'm about to break it. I'm about to delete it and then break its remains.
Yeah.
No, stop running, everybody.
He's not behind us. Dude,
Are y'all following me?
Yeah, I guess. Now I'm following Johnson.
Where'd y'all go? Oh my god, I quit, yeah. Where'd y'all go? Come back. Cover me.
We can't leave my Mexican, man. Gotta have a Mexican.
Dude, if he was alive, dude, I'd kill myself. I'm telling you, I couldn't handle it.
We're holding each other's D, yo. We are holding this.
Straight up.
Shut up. I can hear it. I hear a little girl whispering in my ear, yo. Get out of my ear.
Well, I can't hear because you are talking. The sound fades, like the game sound fades in, so like I can hear y'all. Get itch.
Nope. I'm riding his D. This is my D to ride.
I'm inside Johnson right now. That's how much I'm on his D. Where'd he go?
Where are you going?
Okay, y'all.
Get back here. Get back here, Andres.
No! I heard somebody. I'm going to the. Is there a left?
Where you go right?
You end up rage quitting. Sorry. I would've thrown my mic down first of all.
Oh, I hear something.
Oh no! Where we going?
Andreas, back this way. You're alone.
No, I'm right
Turn
by
around.
you, whoever that
No.
is.
I hear tape.
No, my. Who is that? Who is that in front of me?
And all of us. All two of us. Then I hear. Dude, let's go back. There's a tape back here.
I think it was the green thing. I don't know what it was. When do y'all turn around?
I know.
No balls,
No balls. No balls, Jonathan.
Jordan, no balls. No balls, Jordan.
Balls. What's up? There ain't nobody behind us.
Alright. No balls, you want turn around. No balls.
And
No
walk
balls,
back.
you want yeah, no, you want to go by yourself, no balls.
I should have got done. I'm gonna scream. They do jump in my face. I'm gonna scream like a little 5-year-old. I'm telling you.
I'm gonna mute my mic if I see it, cause I'm not gonna, I can.
The 5-year-old can come at me.
Get off, Edge. Alright, anybody else wanna craft themselves repeatedly or not?
Oh god.
Okay. Hey, turn around.
Nope, no balls, Andres.
No balls, you.
I done did it twice. Third
I
time
don't care. Yes, let's go do it. Well, I mean, at least we'll know where he's at. No balls, you want? No balls?
No balls. No balls.
No balls.
I hear him. He's been the one that.
No balls. What do y'all want? Turn around. No balls.
I didn't turn around. Ain't there?
All right. No balls. You want to look right as we're going straight.
Right. It's still a freaky game, yo. What's up? What's up, train?
Itch. Okay. I'm terrified, dude. I hate this game. It scares me too much. Dude, hop off my meat. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Oh! Hello. He scared me, yo. Get.
Jordan, no, don't leave me. Ah! I'm gonna get inside Jordan.
Who's got the crap? The skeleton suit on?
Me.
Alright. I'm following Johnson right now. Yeah.
No, I'm right. Like I'm inside you, by the way.
Alright, I like it. Stop.
I say if we start hugging each other, he won't. I'll bet I will, yeah.
Bet you won't.
There's nobody behind us.
Alright.
I thought I saw a tiger coming at me at first. Then it was just where I think it was your hair, Jordan. Man, I'm about to rage quit, dude. It's terrifying. Somebody look behind them. No balls. I've already done it. No balls. Jordan, no balls. Itch. Somebody look left. I'm looking left. This is terrifying. So either. Get me the fuck out of here, dude. Yeah, I was terrified, dude. I don't want to play this game anymore. I quit. Oh my god. GG. Somebody turn around. No balls. I hear, hey. Who wants to go get the tape? To the left. Go left. Left. Itch. Y'all following me? Hello? Hello? Oh my god, yeah. Are y'all near me? Jordan's right by me, dude. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, who left me? Jordan, I'm gonna kill you. I'm dead, by the way, because Jordan left me, dude. Where did y'all go? Jordan, where are you at? Okay, well, oh, I found you. Who is this? What? Is this Jordan? Where's Jordan? What the freak?
I muted my mic.
Why?
I don't know. I would get scared. Excuse me.
Again.
Green thing.
You
Oh,
died?
You did?
That's what I said, yo. Jordan left me too.
I found you, baby.
Well, Jordan, that's me and you front and back here.
Alright. I'm scared.
Yeah, well.
I quit life.
I honestly think it's better to go alone and die of insanity. Instead of look at this.
I think I hear him. I think he's riding my D.
Which one of y'all want to turn? You want to turn around, Jordan?
No balls under us.
No balls you want?
I don't have no balls. They
Immediately
fell off. I know this is a game, but oh my god, it's scary as crap. Did I hear that thing?
What? Why is there so... Oh my god.
Hey,
Dude, I'm
that's a
terrified.
jet, rocket or some crap.
Dude, I'm leaving, dude. I'm too terrified, yeah.
Dude, they need to kill me. I'm gonna rage, so I'm gonna scream like a 5-year-old. Then rage.
I'm gonna freaking view up Mike immediately, dude.
I'm gonna leave you, Andres. Ready?
Dude, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna close my eyes, dude.
Close your eyes walking around.
Huh.
Are we gonna get another tape, or we're gonna try to beat the game?
Or not.
Or not. Can you make it move? Or not.
Oh god. Oh god, Jordan!
I turned around all the way. I did a quick 15, nowhere in there. I will buy the train. If you find the train. If you find the train, we'll go to the train.
I'm terrified. Can I quit?
No.
Can I
No,
close
right.
my eyes and walk around?
No.
Can I leave you and then we both die?
No. Not happy.
Well, Jordan, good luck. No.
Again.
Did you turn around?
You think?
Man, is anybody else gonna hit their britches?
What? I'm blinking mine right now. I see you.
I see you.
Hello, feller. How you
Jordan,
know?
turn around.
You can't see him on Jonathan, can you? How you know? You hear him? Dude, your age is probably right behind me, man.
In before he is right behind you.
Turn
Turn around, Jordan. No balls.
I told you, when I started this game, they shriveled up and fell off.
Man card.
Oh. I hate man card. Turn my flashlight off to do this. Nope, we're good. I left it on too.
Oh my god, I think my flash just felt like started like.
I turned my flashlight off, walking around.
You're not helping us at all.
Yeah, you're not helping at all. No, come back to us. Stupid. We kept on going straight, and we took a... Oh, I heard him. Oh my god. He's right in my D. Niggas right in my D, yo. My flashlight's blinking now. Jonathan, get out the way. You know you're a ghost, I still can't walk to you. What? I think there's tape. Nope, green crap.
That green crab was like scary as fuck there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go right, yeah.
Yeah, we're going right. I'll go left, okay?
Yeah, go.
Nope. Nope.
I bet you no balls.
I
No
don't
balls.
care
You
what
want
you
to turn
are.
around?
I don't care what you are. I'm not turning around. I'm gonna
No
check
balls.
all. I'm gonna check all these
Look
corners.
left. See, when my screen starts flashing, that's when I want to hit my pants here.
My flashlight start flashing and crap. Dude, I'm gonna scream like a 5-year-old. Jonathan, you better freaking cut this crap out like scream. Crap. Almost.
I heard that.
Oh my god. He got me. Oh.
Jordan, that's how I'm gonna be my mic when I die. Where's the green thing at? I'm gonna kill myself. I quit, bro. Please. Please, no. No! I refuse. Jordan, how did he get you?
Oh.
How did he get you?
I checked the corner.
Yeah.
He popped right on my knee, yo. He pounced on that crowd, yo. This nigga pounced on it like a freaking barracuda, yo. All the way.
Guy right in front of me just gets crap.
Oh my god. I quit. I'm dead now.
Popsicle.
Hey, that white dude, whatever his name, he's saying, I got some popsicles for you, Andres.
You know what? I quit, yo. I'm about to kill myself. I'm about to leave, yo.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I bet. Bet I'll leave,
Don't
yo.
do it. Don't do it.
Bet.
You have to die. You can't leave. Main card, you cannot leave.
Alright, yeah. Just walk around.
I have no clue where you're at. Hey, are y'all anywhere near that plane? That stealth fighter, whatever that is? I don't want to find y'all. Thanks to Andres died. Dude, I hear that freaking little girl whispering in my ear, yo. I'm dead.
Yeah, how long is the video so far, you?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good God.
We should end it right here because Jonathan's not going to be able to upload it. Oh, let me find a way to kill myself or something.
Just turn around.
Hey, if I stand still, will it kill me, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just standing still. There's nothing behind me. No, I'm gonna just kill myself. I'll be right back, hold up. No, I refuse. I'm gonna get my, sweat rag. So, hold up.
Your sweat rag? Get off my dress. Braxton just fell. Oh my god. Yeah. He is. He ain't dead yet, but. Dude, how long is this freaking video? Ain't no way we took that long.
No.
How many? I see Andres. I'm here. I see you, Andres. I finally made it. Gee! I will rape your soul. Andres, you're an ugly dude. You know that? Look, come look at his face, like real close. He is one ugly dude. Look here. Jonathan, come look at his face. I mean, he's some ugly dude. Good God, he's ugly. Like Taylor, yo. I'm inside of you. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. I get to see your spine. I can always see it, but you know. It's messed up. I wonder if I still got a flashlight, man. John, get up on. Like my flashlight, Johnson.
What?
I'm raping him. Don't catch this on camera. Don't look at me raping you. Oh yes. Oh. You been ghost raped? You gonna
What?
get sniped, big boy. Boy, you tried to look. I'm getting for the front now. Yeah. Oh yeah. Give you some anal over here. Oh yes. See, I bet I'm about to close his eyes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes, 50 seconds. That nigga rage quit, yo. He got up out of there. What? It won't let me. I hit B. I can't look at it anymore. And I still hear people walking.
Hello?
What happened?
I left. The video was getting too long anyway.
The nigga jumped up in your A, didn't he?
No.
I was in it. On the game.
Wait, what?
Yeah, what? I left, didn't he?
He loves me more than you, my bad. I'm sorry, yo.
I can't leave my hooligan, yo.
Yeah, if you look at his phone, that's what my name is.